Frustrated by that? Learn more about this picture icon on your desktop? You're not alone. When you enable personalization settings, Windows automatically rotates stunning high-quality images to keep your desktop looking fresh. But along with these beautiful wallpapers comes the unwanted learn more about this picture icon, which many users find unnecessary and distracting. Microsoft's oversight in not providing a straightforward option to remove this icon has left some scratching. Your only apparent choices are to either disable all desktop icons or just tolerate the persistent icon. This limitation has ignited a massive discussion on the Microsoft Feedback Hub, amassing over 400,000 views and showcasing the community's strong desire for a more flexible solution. For the most popular solution, and if you prefer a clean desktop, then the simplest way to get rid of it is to disable the Windows Spotlight feature entirely. Here's how you can do it in just a few seconds. First, open Settings. To do this, just press the Windows key plus I to launch the Settings app. Then you'll navigate to Personalization. Just click on Personalization in the sidebar. Under the Background section, choose a different option such as Picture or Slideshow instead of Windows Spotlight. By switching to a personal image collection, you not only eliminate the Spotlight feature, but also remove the unwanted learn more about this picture icon from your desktop. Now comes the question, do you prefer this change now that you know a little more about it? Let me know down below, and thanks for watching.